how to add TXT record in Hostinger in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about how you can add TXT record in Hostinger in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to allow yourself to do this, what you are going to be doing is you're going to basically come over to the support center. So once you come over to the developer or support, for the Hostinger over here, they're going to give you a full workout on how you're going to do this. Okay, and the reason I'm showing you this is because it makes you add different TXT and TTL values that you are going to want to make sure to double check from this page. So just come to this page over here, how to manage TXT records. You're going to go into the DNS Zone Editor. So, you can easily manage your DNS. So basically, once you're in your zone editor, you're going to add a new record and choose TXT. Okay, so this is the type. And in the name, you're going to choose, whatever random name you want to go with for your TXT record at your TXT value. Now, for the name, you can see records for your domain, insert at as host. So for subdomains, insert the subdomain's proper name. And for the domain, enter at. So once you do that, there's the TXT value, which is the value you want to add to your domain. Usually TXT is used for adding SPF records or verification, like adding your domain to Google search engine, basically. So the TTL that you're going to add is 14,400 seconds. So if you haven't received specific TTL requirements, you're going to use the default 14,400. And after making all those changes, in 24 hours, it's going to basically make a TXT file, and that is how you're going to basically make a TXT record file in your Hostinger. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.